Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable day. NFP week, as you can see, the market slowly getting very volatile. Currently, I'm looking at XAUUSD. We can see that from the daily resistance, there is a strong breakdown on the lower time frame. So now let's see where we can find our next opportunity. Looking at the monthly chart to see overall picture in the market on XAUUSD. So from the monthly, we can see that this is the long-term bull market. What we can see from here, there is a strong impulse to the upside followed by this correction, and we can see that there is another impulse followed by this month. After initial bounce, the price has gone back up to that level of resistance, and we see the price again dropping back to that support level on the monthly. And as it is a long-term bull market, the bias could still be remaining bullish. As you can see, there is a monthly gap open with a weakless candle. Dropping down to the weekly chart to see how the price is doing, we can see that from the weekly perspective, this is the weekly impulse followed by very narrow, smaller weekly red candle. And as expected, we have seen that after retest, the price has reached that weekly resistance. Again, we can see the market has dropped back to the weekly support level. And as it is a long-term bull market, I think the bias could still be remaining bullish for short term. Dropping down to the daily chart, we can see that from the daily perspective, this is the daily candlestick pattern. After this green candle, we saw a narrow candle here on the daily, and after the price retest the resistance here, the price started to drop again towards the downside on the daily time frame. The price has broken the daily low, and again the price again breaking above, as it is a long-term bull market. So looking at the intraday perspective from 4 hour, we can see that there was a, again in this lower time frame, there is a local downtrend. From here we can see there is a drop followed by this pullback, and we can see the market again is in another bearish momentum on the lower time frame, though it is a long-term bull market. As there is a bounce from here and the market started to trend, I think short-term perspective from the daily, we may see another retest before bouncing back up. So looking at the 15-minute and the lower time frame, we can see that here the trend is bearish. Lower time frame price action, after this massive drop, we saw one green candle, and the market is now creating series of lower high and lower low. So short term perspective, I will be waiting for potential entry opportunity. After initial pullback, we will be looking for going short on XAUUSD with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.